The company sent me these garden gloves to share with you, and I'm so thrilled that they did because they have quickly become my favorite. I've had them for a few weeks now, and as you can see, they hold up extremely well. I use them often. Let me show you what I love about them. This part here is stretchy, and then this has this amazing grip on it. They fit pretty snug on me, but there's also still room. So for sizing reference, I'm a female. I am about 5'9". These fit my husband as well. There's still plenty of room around the wrist and then plenty of room in the fingers and the palm. We do quite a bit of gardening. I love these to garden. I also love them for pulling weeds. Why I love them so much is this grip that they have. They make pulling weeds so easy and so much more comfortable. Some days I'll be pulling weeds to the point where I would get blisters. So these have been such a big help. In addition to being really comfortable, another reason I love them is these are super durable. I garden a few times a week, or I'm pulling weeds or something several times per week, and they have held up really well. And then additionally, I've left them outside. Normally I try to put them away, but I've left them outside overnight and stuff, and they've still, held up extremely well. So again, these are super durable, super comfy. They have an amazing grip. I definitely recommend these garden gloves. You'll love them.